Hello friends, welcome to TechProg. I hope you will like my last videos on introduction of Python and the installation of Python. And I'm hoping that you will already install the latest version of Python in your system. So guys, let's start our today tutorial. Our today tutorial is based on some small and the important basic topics of Python. Let's see. These are the topics we are going to discuss today. Our first topic is different modes of programming which are going to use by the programmers. The identifiers, reserved words, indentations, quotes, comments, semicolon use in Python, and the statements. So guys, let's start our today tutorial. Our first topic is different types of programming, and there are two types of mode of programming. First is interactive mode programming and second is script mode programming. So guys, let's see interactive mode programming. Guys, when we execute our Python code in the terminal for the use of Python shell, then that's called interactive mode programming. Now guys, we will see that Python 3.8.2 shell is shown here. Now guys, we are going to see how we execute our Python program here. I'm going to use a small Python example. We are going to use two variables. It's a, which value is 10, and the b, which value is 20. And now I'm going to print it in the output. Interactive mode programming. I'm sorry guys, my spelling mistakes. Guys, I'm going to use the format. If you will see my last video, guys, you will know what is format and why we use it in the print statement. Now our Python program is ready and I'm going to execute it. Guys, see that our message is print in the output. It's interactive mode programming, and our two values is also shown. It's 10 and 20. Now guys, let's see what is script mode programming. First we have to exit from here. Exit from the shell of the Python. Now guys, for the script mode programming, we have to create a script of Python. I'm going to give it a name. Let's give it a name, mess.py. Guys, without wasting any time, I am just showing here some message. Script mode programming. Okay guys, now guys, our script is complete and I'm going to execute it on the terminal. Yeah guys, our message is shown. Now we can see that our mess.py program file is executed properly, and when we execute the Python our program in the Python shell, it will also execute it without any bug or error. So guys, I think uh, you will understand the modes of the Python. Now let's see, guys, identifiers. Guys, identifier is nothing, just a name which will identify the variables, functions, classes, modules, and many more objects. Basic identify is just a name, so we can use uh, some alphabets from A to Z. We can use underscore, and we can use digits 0 to 9. But guys, remember that we are don't allowed to use punctuations like at the rate, dollar sign, and the percent sign in the identifiers. And guys, we know that Python is a case sensitive programming language, so please, um, please wrote your name to remember the case sensitive. Okay. Now in identifiers we have to remind some points. Our first point is identifiers start with upper case letter. Okay, guys, identifiers always start with the uppercase letter. And our second point is when we use a underscore before the identifier, it's become private. I'm sorry, guys, it's become private. Guys, when we create a identifier and uh, we will wrote a underscore before it, then it's become private in the Python. And if, guys, if we use double underscore before the identifier, it's become more strong private identifier. Means, I'm sorry, guys, my spelling mistakes. Guys, when you will show double underscore, it will become the strongly private identifier. Means it will not shareable by other, I mean, functions, classes, and others. Okay, guys, so these are the points of identifiers. Let's see reserve words. Guys, reserve words are the constant, you can call it as a constant or a variable or any other identifier names. It will, you can say that these are the keywords which was saved in the Python previously. These are the and, you can call exact, not, or finally, assert, and, pass, break, continue, class, def, for, from, print, global, rise, and all these guys values are the reserve words which we will going to use in our future videos. Okay, guys, so remember that. Our next topic is the indentation. Guys, indentation, you can call it indentation, is the rules of some programming, like in language, in Python. Like you are going to use a class, you can create a function. Guys, remember one thing, you don't guys use the braces before the function or a class. Okay, guys, because Python does not support the braces in the function and the class. Okay, guys, and If you guys want to see the example, I'm going to show you guys. uh, guys, I'm just showing you a example of Python indentation. Guys, when you will use if, for loop and some other codes, you have to remember the indentation of the Python. These are just the rules to program the code. Okay guys, it is just an example guys. These are the indentation. And our next topic is quotes. Guys, quotes are three types. You can say that single quote, double quote, triple quote. These are three types of quote. Let's see some examples. It's I'm going to use the shell. Okay guys, let's see some quotes. First, I'm going to use the single quote. It's uh, okay guys, our first value is a, then our second variable we are going to use here double quotes. Its name is bigger than man. It's just a message guys, so don't take it so serious. And our third variable is using triple quotes here. It's C. Okay guys, now I'm going to close the triple quotes. Now guys, our whole three variables is created and I'm going to use it in a message. I'm using print, and this is the code. So quotes are okay guys. This is the our single quote, and our second variable is for double, and our last variable is for triple. Let's close your quotes and use, I'm going to use format A, and then B, C. Okay guys, now I'm going to execute it. Look guys, our message is shown. We are going to use these three codes, like codes are tag prog, our first single code, and our second code is double and the triple quotes are here. Guys, the difference between three quotes are our single quote is used for some name, some small type of script. I'm sorry, script strings. And when you want to use some big line of strings, like you want to write a paragraph in one line, then it's best you will use double quote. And if you want to write a story, then story or some big message, then you will use triple quotes. Okay guys, I think you guys understand this topic, so let's exit our script. Our next topic is comments. Guys, like quotes, comments are also of many types. Like you can use hash sign for your string comment, and you can use uh, triple quotes for multi-line comments. It's depend on your decision. Okay guys, first is hash. I'm sorry guys, hash is used for a single line comment. Okay guys, you are going to use hash when you want a single line comment. And guys, if you want to use multi-line comment, then it's best for you guys use triple quotes. Is for multi-line comments, guys. Okay guys, I will show you a small example. Okay, let's open our mass program. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you the comments. Guys, comments, I'm sorry. Yeah. Guys, comments never shown in the output. Only print messages will be shown in the output. Now, I'm going to show you a single line comment. Okay guys, the use of hash. Okay guys, this is the single line comment. And guys, if you want to use triple quotes, then it's mean you can use multiple lines, like interactive mode comments, and the script mode comment. I'm sorry guys, script mode programming, guys, my mistake, sorry guys. Okay guys, now it's over, so first close it, then our both comments is shown here. I hope guys you will understand that. I'm going to execute it here. Guys, you will see that, oh my god, Python 3, yeah, nice. Guys, see here, our comments is not shown in the output. Comments is just for a message or a small, you can say that a small banner for our program, not for its purpose is not for showing in the output. Okay guys, Our next topic is the semicolon use in the Python. Guys, semicolon, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, guys, semicolon is just used for, yeah, now it's okay. Guys, semicolon is just used for, now it's okay. Guys, semicolon is just used for continue your coding. I'll show you an example, guys. Import sys. Okay, guys, it's semicolon, and okay, guys. Okay, guys, so we can see here, if we want to use our all program in one line, then you can use the semicolon. Okay, guys, now our last topic is statement. It's statement. Guys, we can use multiple statement in one line. I will show you a example. Okay, guys, our first variable is a, and I'm going to show output. Okay, message. Oops. Okay, friends, now our first variable is created, and we are using here multiple comments in the one line. I'm sorry, guys, multiple statements in one line. Now I'm going to show it here with a print statement. uh, Format a. Okay, guys, now I'm executing my program. Yeah, guys, you can see that, guys, our program is, our whole variable, I'm sorry, guys, our whole variable is shown here. Our multi-line statements is shown here. These are just a statement. I'm using a equal to my plus name plus is plus tag prop, and then I'm adding a new statement here. It's welcome to my channel. Okay, friends, it's a comments. So friends, that's all for today. These are the small topics which I'm going to discuss with you guys, because these are smalls, but many times when you will go in the interviews, these topics will asked to you, and many programmers and developers never uh, remember these topics because these are small. That's why. So guys, please remember. Let's exit from here. And guys, never forget to subscribe and like my channel. And I think that's all for today, guys. Goodbye, friends. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.